Learning to code is exciting. You can build anything you imagine. But sometimes you sit in front of your screen, ready to code, and your mind just goes completely blank. You know the feeling, right? Well, don't worry. Here are 20 project ideas to inspire you, build your skills, and turn you into a coding pro. Let's start small and build a solid foundation. First up, create a portfolio website. This is your personal brand online and the perfect way to learn HTML and CSS basics. Next, build a to-do list app to manage your tasks. It's a simple but effective way to learn how to store, manipulate, and display data. Want to practice logic? Make a calculator? It's a classic project that's great for learning how functions and user input work together. After that, try a random quote generator. This project will teach you how to use Apis to fetch live data from the internet. You can also build a fun quiz app to practice handling questions, answers, and scoring logic. And finally, for a practical and visual project, build a QR code generator. It's amazing to see how simple data can become a scannable visual. These beginner projects are essential stepping stones. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to take on projects that challenge your creativity and expand your skills. How about a personal finance tracker? You can track your expenses and create charts to visualize your budget. Or get futuristic and build a smart mirror. You can display the time, weather, or news on a digital screen using something like a Raspberry Pi. Want to connect people? Build a real-time chat app. This will teach you how users can communicate instantly using technologies like WebSockets. If you're feeling adventurous, try a travel booking system. You'll learn to integrate Apis for flights, hotels, and trips. Or build your own chatbot that can respond to users on platforms like Discord or Telegram. These intermediate projects are where you start to feel like a real developer. Now, let's push into advanced territory where things get really interesting. Ready to dive into AI? Build your own neural network from scratch to truly understand how artificial intelligence learns. Or, if you love algorithms, create an algorithm visualizer to bring sorting and search algorithms to life with cool animations. Ever wonder how the internet works behind the scenes? Build your own HTTP server to learn how websites actually deliver content to your browser. For a collaborative challenge, design a real-time document editor like a simplified Google Docs where multiple users can edit at the same time. Or unleash your creativity and build your own video game where logic meets pure imagination. When you're ready to truly master coding and think like a 10x developer, try recreating the real-world tech that powers our digital lives. Build your own version of Git, Redis, Docker, or even BitTorrent. These projects are complex, but they teach you exactly how professional, industry-standard tools actually work under the hood, and that's where true expertise begins. These 20 projects will sharpen your mind, build your confidence, and make you think like a true engineer. Stop waiting for motivation or the perfect moment. Pick one of these ideas today, start building, and watch your skills absolutely skyrocket. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which project you're going to start first. Thanks for watching.